right. So anyway, children, these are the house rule. I believe you know them already. Let's move into the lesson. All right, because later parents complain that I talk a lot, right? Yeah. Okay, come. So let's go into the lesson now. All right, if you have anything urgent to say, please go to the chat and you can type your secret message to me. Like, Burn Ong, you have a nose hair coming out from my nose? Is it? Oh my goodness. My goodness. Sorry. Okay, come. Let's go into the lessons. All right, so we are doing worksheet 17, and many of you actually did your worksheet on the last minute. All right, because just now I went in at 3:33 p.m., nobody did your homework. At 3:33 p.m. today, nobody did the worksheet. Until after 1 hour or so, then you all start to do your worksheet. All right. So I see that Shen Ming did his work. I see that Shiloh did his work. Vanishnavi also did her work. All right, good job. All right, the rest, can you please also try to attempt the worksheet in future before you come? All right, so moving on. Vanishnavi, go to the chat and type. All right, go to the chat and type. All right, so children, we will always, for my lesson, we will always start off with one question first. This question, I call it the extra question. All right, so can you please take out your exercise book or your jotter book and try to do this question? It's very simple. I promise you, it's very simple. Take out your jotter book or your exercise book and start doing this question. All right, and give me the answer inside the chat. Right, go to the chat and type in the answer. 好不好? Oh, sorry. Is it okay? I guess some of you don't understand my Chinese. Yes, can you please go to the chat and type in the answer right now? Please attempt this question. If you need to draw model, draw the model. Let's go. Come on. I give you 2 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. All right, extra question. Go to the chat and give me the answer, please, children. Read carefully, yeah? I think this question got high chance of coming out for your test. Your teacher called me already. So please know this. Oh, Shiloh, very good. You got the answer for B. But what's the answer for A? Very good, Shiloh. Wow. Amazing. Hey, children, just to let you know that Shiloh got the one of the answers already. Wow. All right, so please go to the chat and type in the answer. I will go through if you don't worry. All right, wow. This girl are damn fast. Oh yeah, she got both answer. Shiloh. Wow. Are you superwoman or what?
Because I know total is like plus.
Okay, okay. Shh. Say. Let the rest try. Yes, Vanishnavi. Whoa, Pom, no. Pom, can you please try again? Pom, please read the question. I think you never read. Oh, yes, Shen Ming, good job. Yishuan, good. Wow. Not bad, huh, you guys?
466 is the story.
Don't say Vanishnavi. Just go to the chat. Yes, Vanishnavi, you got it right. I say you're right already. Don't have to tell people. People are trying. Right, Yishuan, Shen Ming, they got it already. Wow. And Shen Ming, yes, part B is correct again. Wow, amazing, huh? Vanishnavi, just now your answer is for A. And Yishuan, yes, your B answer is correct also. Good job. Wow. Pom, yes. Hey, Shiloh. I'm looking at answer. You say I go toilet. Go, hurry up, go. Ayo. Please go toilet and quickly come back. Come on, Wen-Xing, 加油. You can do it. Oh, yes, correct, Wen-Xing. Part A is correct already. Yeah, slow and steady, Wen-Xing. No rush, don't worry. Vanishnavi, your part B is wrong. Pom, your answer is still wrong. All right, don't worry.
I didn't read.
Still there to say you never read. I give you time to read, you want to read. Then in the exam, how? In the exam, your teacher will call you to read or not? You have to do the reading yourself. Come on. All right, Pom, you can keep trying. Don't worry. All right.
I'm explain later.
No. Yes, Pom. Yes, correct. Yes, Wen-Xing. B is correct already. Good job.
Everybody get the answer.
Very good. Okay. So actually, most of you got the answer already. All right. So let me explain to you. All right. This type of question, be very careful. How come? You have to ask yourself, who got more? More or less? More or less. More, less,
You're so
less.
dramatic.
Cannot dramatic. Okay, so children, the first question to ask yourself is who got more, who got less? The one got more, you have to draw a longer model. Yes, funny time, you got it already. Come. So a baker got 594 chocolates. He baked what? Look at the question. Children, read the question. He baked 1 to 8 more chocolate. Can you see or not? There is 1 to 8 more chocolate. So in terms of chocolate versus what? In terms of chocolate versus strawberry. All right. Who got more? All right. The question already say that what? Chocolate got more, right? So you have to draw the chocolate longer because more means what? More means longer. So if you draw out the model, children, it's very, very clear. Can you see? All right. So where is the 594? 594 is the chocolate, right? So the whole thing down here is chocolate. 594. And he baked 1 to 8 more chocolate. So where is the more part? Where is the more part? The more part is actually down here. Can you see that? Can you see that this part is coming out? This part is like the extra. So this extra, right, is actually, yes, Pom Pom, you got it, part B. Thank you so much. Thank you for trying. Right, never give up. Can you see her attitude? I love her attitude. Right, never give up. She keep trying. All right. So this part that's bulging out, right, this blue color portion, right, is the more. So this part is called the 1 to 8 more. Can you see that? And children, just to let you know something. All right, these two, right, can you see the X? All right, these two, right, the X, right, is what? All right, so these two, the X is of the same size. So I purposely put a what? I purposely put a little X down there to represent it as the same size. Is that okay?
Cannot be other things.
Okay, it can be a dot, okay? Happy?
Belly button.
Okay, so usually I call the dot the belly button. All right, so it's because they are the same size, so they are the same. So from here, right, the first part of the question, they are looking for strawberry. So strawberry is this portion, right? Can you see that? So if you take a look, chocolate is so much. This portion is 1 to 8. How do you find the strawberry? So it's a minus, children. It's 594 minus 1 to 8. Many of the students see the word more. Plus. Oh, no. Stop it. All right. Don't every time
Take the question first.
Thank you, Shiloh. Can you please don't unmute yourself? But what she says is correct. Read the question first. When you see the word more, you say plus. Very dangerous. All right. So you have to understand the question first. So you have to ask yourself, who got more? Who got less? Then you draw the model. Then it's very clear. Can you see that? Huh? So down here, right, if you minus, right, 594 minus 128, right, is actually equal to 466. Right? Many of you did the working correctly. Very good. So that is your strawberry. All right. Children, seriously, don't jump into conclusion. You know what's the meaning of don't jump into conclusion? All right. Don't see the word more, you just plus. All right. You don't I tell you something. For example, I tell you that I'm 90 kg. So you say me fat, is it? but if I tell you my height is 2 meters, do you know that if you're 90 kg and you're 2 meters, you're okay? Do you know that? So you have to be what? You have to be clear. You have to look at the entire story. You have to understand the entire question before you come to a conclusion. Understand or not, children? Huh? So don't just see the word more and you jump to a conclusion. Very dangerous. Read the question properly first. That is what Shiloh was saying just now. Ken? All right. So you managed to find 466 what? Strawberry. Correct. And the second part will be what? How many donuts did the baker bake all together? All together means what? Yes, chocolate is 594. Strawberry is 466. And you all together means what? You have to add them. This is very straightforward. All right, this is very straightforward. And you add them carefully, you should get your answer of 1060. All right. Thank you so much. Everybody, right? Everybody got it. Good job. Yes, Shiloh.
I just wanted to say the answer.
Oh, you just wanted to say the answer, but you got it right. Okay, good job. All right, and not only you got it right, the rest also. All right. All right, so moving on. This question is the extra question. Very high chance of it coming out. All right, because the teacher will try to trick you with the more or less thing. All right, so you must be smarter than that. You must be smarter than teacher. All right, you must try to what? Try to read the question properly before you come to a conclusion what to do. Can? All right, so moving forward, children, is actually the worksheet. But usually we will start off with a little bit of Kahoot. Kahoot. All right, so the new students, right, can you please try to participate with us? All right, if you need a phone, you might want to get it from your daddy or mommy so that we can log into Kahoot together. Is that okay? All right, so let me share the sound first, and this is Kahoot. All right, we are going to have a bit of Kahoot here. Can you see the screen? All right, good job, Vanishnavi. Good job. All right, so children, this is to do some mental sum. All right, usually we'll do that to keep your mind fresh, to do more challenging questions. All right, so let's move forward. You all can see my screen, right? Can? Okay, now it's back to hard work already. Yeah? All right, so now, right, let's go back into the questions, right, like this. All right, question 1, right, I believe that most of you got it wrong. All right, there's 2 persons who got it wrong actually. Maybe we can look at it together. Can? All right, so Mrs. Lydia baked 86 cupcakes. All right, so this is like the total cupcakes that she baked. So these questions are actually found in the worksheet. All right, these questions are actually found in the worksheet. Can? She placed them all in boxes. Okay. Each box contained only 8 cupcakes. Look, so down here there's a box. And inside this box, right, she's going to put what? 8 cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you see that? So inside one box, she's going to put 8 cupcakes. But total, she got 86, you know. So how many boxes? Can you see not? How many boxes means you have to draw? How many of these boxes? Can you see not? So last time, right, when I was in primary school, right, actually, I very afraid of all this word problem. So what do? So I'll draw all this simple diagram just to calm myself down. So every box must have 8. But I'm not going to draw everything, you see. I'm not going to draw everything. It will just give me an idea what to do. So in total, right, I got what? In total, I got many more, right? Many more boxes. But in total, I got 86 cupcakes. And one box can only put in 8, right? Correct or not? So what do? I have to take 86 and distribute it among what? The boxes. And one box can only put in 8, right? So I have to do a division. All right. So when I do a division, I do a long division, 86 divided by 8 here. 8 times 1 is 8. All right. Down here is a 0, bring down the 6. 8 times what? 8 times what is 6? 8 times 0, children, the 0 must write. All right. Then the 6 down here. All right. You have to say that it is a remainder of 6. So children, is the answer 10 boxes? Is the answer 10 boxes? Be careful. All right. Be very careful.
No.
If the answer is 10 boxes, right, then what about the 8 remainder, the 6 remainder? What do? This 6 remainder, you pass to Mr. Ben Ong. All right, Mr. Ben Ong will eat it. All right, you pass it to me, I will eat. Can? Is it? No. But there's no Mr. Ben Ong in the what? In the question. So you got 10 full boxes. Then the remainder 6, The remainder 6, you have to put it into one extra box. No choice. All right. It's either you put in one extra box or I eat it. So in this extra box, right? In this extra box, inside got how many? Inside only got 6, but no choice. All right. No choice. Can you see or not? So in total, right, you need what? 10 plus 1, which is 11 boxes. All right. So please be careful. All right. Answer is 11. Xuan Ming can understand? Can, all right, because you got this question wrong. So I just want to let you know that this is the way to do it. I mean your steps are there, but sometimes you forget to plus the 1 box because you want to donate the 6 cupcakes to me. All right, but don't give it to me lah. I'm very fat already. Yes, Shiloh?
Explain the chat, but I think
I saw your explanation. I saw. All right, thank you so much for your explanation. Yeah. Vanishnavi? You raise your hand? You got something urgent to say?
I wanted to also say the answer of the.
Okay, you want to say the answer? You can go to the chat and say the answer. It's like Shiloh. I saw her answer. All right. So don't worry. All right. Later you will have some questions to do one. All right. Okay. So question 1 is done. All right. Please know your mistakes. Please know your mistakes. Okay. Question 2.